Hello everyone, welcome back to Infofill Hub. Struggling with file sizes and dimensions when uploading your photo, signature or documents? This video is for you. Today I will show you two secure websites to easily resize them using your mobile phone. I will also share important tips to avoid common mistakes. Let's get straight into the video. First, open Google Chrome on your phone or laptop. In the search bar, type Pi7 image tool and hit search. Click on the very first link that appears, and it will take you directly to the website's homepage. The best thing about this site is its incredibly simple interface. Right at the top, you will see a section called Most Used Tools. Here, you will find the options we need the most. This includes tools to resize photos in pixels, resize signatures, and convert dimensions to centimeters. If you scroll down a bit further, you will find the general resizing options. These allow you to enhance image quality and change dimensions to centimeters, millimeters, or inches. But the most useful section here is Resize Other Official Sizes. In this section, you can find the exact dimensions required for SSC, UPSC, and PSC exams, as well as for PAN cards, directly set up for you. Additionally, there is a dedicated category called Passport and ID photo sizes to easily prepare your passport-size photos and signatures. In short, every single tool a job aspirant needs is systematically arranged right here on this single page. Now let's see how to resize a photo to the exact dimensions and file size. The biggest advantage of this website is that we can either manually type in our required dimensions or use the direct tools, which have the exact measurements preset for various government exams. So today we will first look at how to use one of these direct tools. For example, most government exams like SSC, IBPS, and RRB usually ask for a photo dimension of 3.5 centimeters in width and 4.5 centimeters in height. To do this, we will click directly on the 3.5 by 4.5 centimeters option available on the website. I need to mention another important thing here. Even though this is a direct tool, you can easily change the width and height shown here if you want to. That means, whichever direct tool you choose, you can adjust the dimensions according to your needs and use it for other purposes as well. Now, click on the Select Image button below and choose the photo you want to resize from your gallery. Once the photo is uploaded, you will see a crop option at the top. If you need to make any adjustments or remove unwanted parts from the photo, you can use this option. After adjusting the photo as needed, click on the Crop Image button there. Now, if you scroll down, you will see an option to set the DPI. Although it is set to 200 DPI by default, it is always better to change it to 300 DPI to get the best quality. Now let's come to the most important part. Just tick that small box below, which says Compress Image to Specific Size. Then, you can enter the required KB size for your photo here. For instance, I'm entering 40 kilobytes here. Next, it shows whether the file format is JPEG or JPG. Since both are exactly the same, you don't need to make any changes there. After entering all these details, click on the Resize Image button at the very bottom. Now just scroll up a bit, and you will see a Rename Image option to change the name of this photo. You need to pay special attention to one thing here. On some official websites, if there is a space in the file name, the photo will simply not upload. Therefore, always make sure to save it without any spaces when naming it. For example, you can name the photo Infophoto 22 as a single word without any spaces. We just saw how to resize a photo in centimeters. Now for some exams, like PSC, when uploading a photo, the dimensions need to be provided in pixels instead of centimeters. Let's see how to do that. For this, we will choose the Resize Image in Pixels option on the home page. The rest of the process is exactly the same as we did earlier. First, click Select Image and choose your photo. After that, come down to the Width and Height section. Many exams, including PSC, usually ask for a width of 150 and a height of 200. So, we can type width 150 and height 200 here. Now to reduce the size of this photo, tick the compress box right below it and enter 30 kilobytes. In the file format section, always keep one thing in mind. Never select PNG. Always make sure it stays in JPG or JPEG format. After doing all this, click on the Resize image button below. Now the most important thing. Just as we mentioned earlier, when giving a name in the Rename Image section, make absolutely sure to enter it without any spaces, and your photo in pixels will be ready. You can download this and use it directly. We have now seen how to resize a photo. Next, we will look at how to resize a signature. When uploading signatures for government and bank exams, strict dimensions are given. To do this, there is a direct option right here on this website. For this, type signature in the search bar on the website's homepage. You will then see direct tools related to signatures. Usually, for most exams, the signature dimensions are asked in millimeters. Especially for bank exams and passports, a width of 50 millimeters and a height of 20 millimeters are often required. So, let's look at an example using the tool that provides this exact measurement. For this, click on that direct tool. We need to do this exactly as we did with the photo earlier. Click the Select Image button below and choose your signature from your gallery. If you need to crop it, that option is also available. Now, just as we mentioned for the photo, make sure to always set the DPI to 300 for the signature as well. Only then will the signature you signed on paper be clearly visible. Since this site uses a direct tool, its width of 50 millimeters and height of 20 millimeters will already be set by default. Now we just need to provide the file size. For example, I am entering 19 kilobytes here. After that, click the Resize Image button below. Once the image is resized, scroll up and give the file a name without any spaces. For instance, you can use the name of the exam, or any name that makes it easy to find. Finally, press the Download button. Your signature will now be saved to your gallery in the exact dimensions and size required. We just saw how to resize a signature in millimeters using the direct tool. Now for some exams, the signature dimensions might be asked in pixels or centimeters. Let's see how to do that. For this, just like we did before, type signature in the search bar on the home page. From the list that appears, select the Resize Signature tool. Next, click the Select Image button below and choose your signature from your gallery. If you need to crop it, that option is also available at the top. Here it shows pixels by default. We will change that and select centimeters or centimeters. Usually for most exams, the required signature dimensions are 4 centimeters in width and 2 centimeters in height. So, we can type width 4 and height 2 here. Then, just as mentioned earlier, make sure to always set the DPI to 300 so the signature is clearly visible. Now take the small box shown to reduce the size. I am entering 15 kilobytes here as an example. After that, click the Resize Signature button below. Once it is resized, scroll up and give the file a name without any spaces. Finally, press the Download button. Your signature is now ready in the exact dimensions and size. So far, we have seen a website where all tools are available in one place. However, some of you might have a slight fear or hesitation in uploading your photos, signatures, and valuable documents to other websites on the internet. For such people, we are now going to introduce another excellent website that you can use with 100% confidence without any tension. For this, open Google Chrome again and search for Resizer. You can enter this site by clicking on the very first link that appears. The moment you open this website, you will see its biggest feature. Right there on the screen, it specifically says, Secured, no upload to server. This means that the photos you provide here never go to the internet or their servers. Everything happens right on your phone or laptop. Therefore, your information remains completely safe. We are introducing this second site for those who desire more security. And also to ensure you always have a reliable backup option. One important thing to note about this website is that, unlike the previous one, there are no separate tools for different tasks. Whether it is a photo or a signature, everything is done using this single tool. So, let's see how to resize a photo here. For this, click the Select Image button you see here and select the photo you want to resize from your gallery. After selecting the photo, you will see a crop option right above it. If you click that, just like in the previous website, You can crop out any unwanted parts. Then, you just need to click Apply. For now, in this video, I'm clicking Cancel here. Now you can see here, if you are on a phone, just scroll down. Here we can see its various dimensions. There are pixels, inches, centimeters, and millimeters. We are currently selecting centimeters. After selecting centimeters, for example, I am entering a width of 3.5 and a height of 4.5. Now you can see that the image has been stretched to adjust to the width we provided. If you want, you can crop it. To remove that stretching, click the crop option here. Then, adjust it the way you need it, just like this, and click Apply here. After clicking Apply, click on Continue to download seen below. Now you can see it shows 3.5 by 4.5 centimeters here. The format is JPG, but our file size is only 19 kilobytes right now. We don't need to compress it that much. If we need a slightly higher KB, or if we want to reduce it, in such situations, what we do is scroll down. If you scroll down, you will see Change Format or Change File Size here. I am clicking Change Format here for now. Click Change Format. Here the format is JPG itself. I am not changing that. But for the file maximum size, I am entering 50. Now we scroll back up and click Continue to download. Now if we come back and check, you can see that the file size has increased to 47 kilobytes. Finally, if you click the Download Image button seen here, it will be saved to our gallery. So we have seen how to resize a photo. The signature is also resized in the exact same way on this website. That means we use the same method for that too. Finally, let me give you a small tip regarding the signature. When you prepare your signature, always make sure to sign on a plain white paper. Also use only black or blue ink for signing. Another important thing is that instead of simply taking a photo with your phone, it is always better to use a scanner app. If you scan it using apps like Doc Scanner, your signature will be very clear. So please keep these points in mind as well. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any doubts, drop them in the comments below and don't forget to share this with your friends. For the latest job notifications, make sure to subscribe to InfoFill Hub. See you in the next video. Thank you.